Hi guys, picked this up in a charity shop today. Cost me £2.50. Make your own remote control dog by Satsuma. That's the second Satsuma kit that I've come across, and there was a third one in the charity shop, but I didn't buy that. That was a combination lock safe. £15, £7.99, and I paid £2.50. So let's have a look, see what's in the box. A bag. Okay, that's all that's in there. So hopefully we've got a few more bits in there. Remote control, not radio control. That'll be forwards, backwards. A couple of AA batteries in there, I should think. Pair of wires, which will go down to the motor. Oh, we've got some googly eyes. I might solder those on there, just to save mucking about. Small gear. Okay, that'll be that one. Push that on there. Okay. Next. One of these. You might be able to hear Nanny's making the evening meal in the background. So we'll probably have to stop in a minute. We're bound to knock them on the floor, aren't we? So which way up does that go? It's got to be that piece. On the back. So which way is forwards? That way. I'm doing it just a touch at a time. Because if I just hold it down, it goes a bit wild. Well, I would say that was a complete success. You could put bits of rubber on there so it grips better. That's a very long tail for a dog. I'm really pleased with that, because I've got it on my list of things to do with 3D printing. There's quite a few files available for doing this sort of thing with a 3D printer. But that saved me the effort. Yeah, I would say complete success. Job done. I just cut up a rubber band to give it feet, rubber feet, but it didn't really help. As soon as you try and give it full power, it goes back to its slipping. But it works. That's the point. Very simple. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.